wanted to give you a little bit of information about our plans to replenish our supplies of PPE at our district locations.
These additional supplies provide additional safety within the classrooms. Teachers are cleaning the classrooms after each session.
When our students return on the 11th, that we have plenty of face shields, masks, hand sanitizer, and the other PPE that we need to ensure that we are mitigating the spread of the coronavirus in our facilities. We're proud to be able to provide these supplies to our schools. These supplies have been purchased through the CARES Act as well as donations from our partners at MDE and Rush Health Systems, and we appreciate their assistance in ensuring that we can provide safe and effective education for our children.